use this command line option -c switch. So okay, this is a simple program, and let me print another print. How are you? So these are two statements. If I run the file through IDE, so I can see two prompts printed. Now if I want to run this through command line switch, so I need to do like this: Python, then command line, then sample. Okay, I'm going to run it through switch -c, and then paste the program, end the program by closing inverted comma, and here I need to use single quote because I have used double quote here, and run it. So this will print the same output. So -c switch is to run multiple single or multiple commands through command line. Thank you.